Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Gardening season is here and it's time for us to get our seed starts ready. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're
living the Newcomb life.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we have been sitting down trying to plan our garden this year. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but we'll go over what we've been discussing about what we're going to plant. So this year we are going to plant asparagus for the first time. We've never done that. Jalapeno peppers, banana peppers, bell peppers, turnips, carrots, beets, onions, radishes, several varieties of cucumbers, pole beans. We're both huge fans of pole beans, but we're going to utilize Dawn's raised beds on her trellis for the pole beans. We're going to plant a lot of those. We're going to plant onions, zucchini and squash, four different varieties of tomatoes, and a lot of sweet peas. All right, so we have all of the seed start soil in our trays. And if anybody is wondering, we are using the Miracle Grow seed starting potting mix. Everything right here is pole beans. Like I said, we're going to be planting a lot of pole beans this year with the hopes that we're going to be able to can some. So yeah, we're going to plant 46 separate.
I think that's what we counted, how many beans we have. So we're going to go ahead and make an attempt. Who knows if they'll all germinate, but we're going to make every effort to get as many green beans as we can so we can and eat. You know, like I want enough to do both. So
what variety?
So
yours is from Johnny Select Seeds.
Yeah, it's from Johnny Select Seeds, and I gotta say, we grew these last year. We only grew 6 plants, maybe last year, maybe 4 plants, something like that. These say pole beans. Seychelles is what it looks like. It's Seychelles. And they say that they germinate, or they are ready to pick in 55 days. So we'll see how that goes. But that's what I'm planting.
And I'm going to plant 3 different varieties of cucumbers and, guess what? Pole beans.
Right, yeah, there's here a little bit of pole beans in that one too.
So I'm going to plant 8 plants of the Haas Expedition cucumbers. This is almost like a mini gherkin type of plant.
Yes, we're kind of excited about that. We love the small cucumbers.
Yeah, we're going to try to pickle some.
Yeah, and they're real tender, even to put on a salad. They have a real tender, delicious flavor. So we're excited. Those are a new variety for us this year.
And the next variety of cucumbers is the Excelsior from Johnny Select Seeds. We planted these last year, right? And you were really pleased with them?
So I got to be honest with you. We have 2 here that he's going to be planting, Excelsior and Nokia. One is a slicing cucumber. Will be a pickle someday. And then the other one is a pickling cucumber. So it's a little bit smaller of a cucumber.
But they did really well.
Yes, we were really happy with them. And so we're going to use the rest of the seeds this year and hope that we get as good of plants as we got last year, because they really turned out great. If you've seen any of our videos from last year, our cucumber harvest was pretty incredible last year. Yeah. Go check that out. We have some sweet banana peppers from Livingston.
So I am getting ready to plant the zucchini. We're going to plant 3 plants, but we only need 2. But I'm sure we'll have somebody who will take the extra plants.
So these are our sweet peppers, and this is a carnival blend, so it's kind of cool. They come out different colors.
So the zucchini that we're planting is from Johnny Select Seeds, and the squash, the yellow summer squash, is also from Johnny's Select Seeds. This is the Jet Star tomatoes.
Yeah, So we planted Jet Star last year. We were really late getting our tomatoes in the ground last year, but even though we were late getting these in the ground, they were fantastic producers. So we were really happy with them. So we're excited that we have a few left over for this year. Here is our large red cherry tomatoes. And these are sown a 1/4 inch depth.
So our beefsteak tomatoes are from Back to the Roots. Never tried them before, but let's see what happens.
We're gonna try these Roma tomatoes. They're an heirloom tomato. And we are going to sow them a 1/4 inch deep. So what we're doing now is we're watering in. All of the soil needs to be wet in order for the seeds to germinate. What I'm using right here is a misting bottle. This is a Home Plus. The only thing we've ever put in this is water. And you pump it up and you spray your seeds. And this keeps your seed, because most of these seeds were planted at somewhere around a 1/4 inch, maybe even less. And if you were to flood these with a lot of water, it would wash your seeds away, and then they wouldn't get the opportunity to germinate. So what we're doing is we're using this mister to go over and saturate the dirt or the potting mix that's in here, so that the seeds get a good chance to germinate. Guys, I'm so excited for these to start growing. Hey, if you have any garden questions for us, leave us a comment down below and ask us your question, and we'll get back to you if we know the answer, and if not, we'll find the answer for you. And we'll get these under the grow lights.
All right, guys, so we have brought our seed starts in and put them under our grow lights. If anyone is interested in this this specific grow light set that we have, we got it from Gardener's Supply, and I actually did a video on this where I did an unboxing and set it up, and I'll leave a link for that up here and in the description below. These things work absolutely fantastic. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it really helps our channel grow. And hit that notification bell so you're up to date on all of our upcoming videos. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
And then at the end of the season, we had something like 70 pounds of cucumbers that we harvested after all of that. Crazy.
It was awesome.
It was awesome because I love cucumbers.
Yeah.